Have you ever wondered how Gucci, one of the most iconic luxury brands in the world, came to be? Guccio Gucci, an Italian immigrant, was inspired by the luggage he saw in Paris and London hotels. Despite his humble background, he opened a leather goods company in Florence in 1921 after returning to Italy. The journey was fraught with hardships, but Guccio persevered with his vision of creating a brand that symbolized luxury and elegance. He chose to use his family name, Gucci, as the brand, a game-changing decision. Slowly, Gucci began to gain recognition in luxury fashion, and thus, the Gucci brand was born. But who knew the roller coaster of events that were to follow? So how did Gucci go from a small Italian leather goods store to a global luxury phenomenon? Guccio Gucci's sons, Aldo, Vasco and Rodolfo, inherited this vision. They expanded their father's business beyond Italy, opening stores in New York, London and Paris, triggering Gucci's golden era. The brand diversified its product line, introducing ready-to-wear clothing and accessories. During this time, iconic products like the bamboo bag and Gucci loafer were born, symbolizing creativity, sophistication, and Italian craftsmanship. The brand's expansion was about creating a lifestyle of luxury and elegance. Gucci was now a symbol of high fashion. The Gucci era of opulence was in full swing, but as they say, what goes up must come down. For now, let's savor Gucci's transition from local to global luxury powerhouse. But what happens when the very pillars that built an empire start to crumble? In the 80s, the Gucci family, once a united force crafting the world's finest luxury brand, found themselves divided. Behind the grand doors of their Italian mansion, family disputes shook the empire's foundation. The clan branched into factions, each seeking control of the profitable brand. Amidst bitter feuds, accusations of tax evasion added legal turmoil. Their glamorous reputation tarnished with scandal, the desperate Guccis sold shares to outsiders, inviting strangers into their private sphere. This led to further discord, as new shareholders brought their own visions for the brand. Once a united front, the family was fractured, their empire crumbling under its own legacy. The once tight-knit Gucci family was now torn apart, leading to a downfall nobody saw coming. A family feud became a cautionary tale of empire pillars crumbling. But could Gucci rise from the ashes and reclaim its former glory? The 90s marked a key turning point as Investcorp acquired the waning fashion house. The ultimate revival, however, happened with Tom Ford's entrance as Gucci's creative director in 1994. His daring designs and bold aesthetic breathed new life into the brand. Ford's first runway show for Gucci was met with acclaim, and his designs, a departure from Gucci's traditional style, resonated with a new generation. Amidst controversy and challenges, Ford redefined Gucci, quadrupling revenues and restoring its status in high fashion. Even after his departure in 2004, his influence is palpable. With Tom Ford at the helm, Gucci was once again a force to be reckoned with. So, where does it stand today? In the fashion landscape, Gucci remains an icon of luxury, style, and quality. Guided by Marco Bizzarri and Alessandro Michele, Gucci has reinvented itself, attracting new admirers while respecting its history. This duo has launched a new era, enhancing Gucci's legacy and shaping the future. Gucci's commitment to sustainability and diversity is also pledging carbon neutrality in its operations and advocating for inclusivity in the fashion industry. Despite past challenges, Gucci's resilience and adaptability have solidified its status as a fashion titan. From a humble leather goods store to a global powerhouse, the journey of Gucci is a testament to the power of resilience and innovation. And as we look to the future, it's clear that Gucci isn't just surviving, it's thriving. So what have we learned about the incredible journey of Gucci? We've traced its trajectory, from a small Italian luxury goods shop to a globally celebrated fashion powerhouse. We've walked through the corridors of its golden of dominance and taken a deep dive into the tempestuous family dispute that almost marred its reputation. We've been a part of its revival, a striking spectacle of resilience and reinvention, like a phoenix rising from its self-inflicted ruins. Today, Gucci stands firm, a testament to survival, rebirth, and ambition in the mercurial realm of fashion. The story of Gucci is not just about fashion, it's about the ups and downs of life, and the relentless pursuit of success no matter the odds.